Get out of that headlock, boy. Bunk, bunk, bunk. Fight. This is not a real fight. They're only playing. So to those of you out there viewing my son or my daughter playing around, they're only playing. This is not cruel. Oh. As soon as I hear a yell from either one of them, I know the playing is starting to get too rough, and I cut it out. Tiger. Nightshade, come. Oh, never mind. He has this thing with it. They both have this thing with a headlock. I don't know what they must be training for some military exercise. I don't know. This is too funny. It's too cute. This video wasn't that long. I would have sent it to mommy. Your sister doesn't want to fight anymore. Oh, I guess not. Hey!